to the Surfing Crab in San Antonio, Texas. Off of, what's this, I-10? I-10 and Wurzbach, Surfing Crab, San Antonio, Texas. We are going in. Let me get to my table. Ooh, they got specials. Let me get to my motherfucking table. Alright, we at our table. You know what I'm saying? They food looks rather scrumptious.
That mukbang.
A mukbang right now. Mukbang's coming soon. Also, I don't know what food we gonna do, but if you want to, you can comment down below.
What y'all think we should
Tell me what y'all think we should eat.
Because we've never had Jamaican food, so I said we should do a Jamaican food mukbang.
Yeah, so we are thinking about doing a Jamaican food mukbang. So just stay prepared, man. Stay tuned, stay prepared. It's gonna be lit. I'm pretty sure a lot of people haven't had Jamaican food, so we're gonna have a mukbang and we're gonna have a Jamaican seafood review. Stay tuned. Shit, we should do a mukbang here.
I know.
They got all the good stuff. Guess we're gonna get us a quick mukbang in. Goddamn mukbang, muk. Lady said she wanna do a goddamn mukbang, kinfolk. So overall, I got my goddamn thing. Is it too early to drink? I heard it was always happy hour somewhere.
5 o'clock somewhere across the
Yeah, 5 o'clock somewhere. So I think I'm gonna have a little adult beverage. Do things like this when you're on your own schedule. You hear me?
5 minutes later.
Drinks up here. Thank you.
Of course.
Oh my God. I might not be able to go back to work. I might not be able to go back to work. We only need one of them. My wife gonna be trying to take me home. Ooh, y'all should have seen a little purr.
That's strong.
It is. I like going on dates with my wife.
I should have asked her if it was strong or sweet.
It's both. Both of them.
The sweet is, it's a pinch of sweet.
It's sweet. It's just strong too.
Real strong.
You know how they got sweet and low? They got sweet and strong. Sweet and strong. Yes. Can I record it? Is that fine? The food is here. Ooh. Y'all know we eat good over here too. Oh. I know. Oh. This our first time, so we definitely gonna be back. Put that steam in my face.
My bad.
Let me smell it. Ooh.
Look at all that juice.
All of that damn juice. Lord have mercy. That looks so good. I shouted y'all out on YouTube too. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, okay, awesome.
So if anybody's like, hey, Heavy told us to come over here. That's me. That's me.
You got this one?
Yeah.
Awesome. We always pass by it. So I was like, let's go eat over there.
Now we work down the street, so.
Nice. Good choice today.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Alrighty.
Thank you. Hey, man. I don't think she's gonna talk no more. We're probably about to eat.
Probably not, because look how big that crab leg is, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, man. So this ain't gonna be the mukbang, but mukbang coming soon. Y'all stay tuned, like and subscribe. Alright, y'all, so we changed our mind. We're gonna sit here and record and eat. First, you gotta say our blessings, though. name, amen.
Amen.
Let's eat. Like oysters. Want some? Why yours look kingy? Mine look young. They let them play me now. I like the shrimp with the head on or the head off.
I like that head off.
You like the head off?
Shrimp that you gotta eat.
She lazy. She a lazy eater. I'm surprised she got some crawfish.
It's just the texture of the shrimp that you gotta peel is weird. And so
Before she was pregnant, before she had the twins, she did not eat seafood.
only fried catfish, that's it. Not no crab, not no lobster, none of that.
She don't used to eat the typical seafood.
Yeah, I'm not eating no clam and no.
She didn't eat crawfish, she didn't eat shrimp. None of that extra shit. Just fish and fries. Now look at her. She in the big leagues now. She still won't eat one of these though. This is so good, bro. Trip. Hands dirty. Dip that thing in that sauce. Look at that drip. Look, drip, drip, drip. The Jamaican food mukbang next.
What's your favorite Jamaican food besides jerk chicken?
I know.
I really want to try them oxtails.
I want to hear some weird shit. That's all I want to hear.
I heard that rice is good. It's so juicy.
Our next seafood mukbang though, we're gonna have a couple of friends though. I think we're gonna do it at home too.
When we get in the kitchen and whip it.
We ain't get loose. Talk our shit. Drink margaritas and things. Speaking of margarita, and the margarita butt. That motherfucker strong. Oh. Drink responsibly.
I am the one, the way your son don't need the
I'm at 30 subs right now.
Come on, let's get him to 100.
Give me to the summertime. 100.
Maybe before.
Maybe before the summer. I'm supposed to keep on dropping shit. Keep dropping shit until it just starts heating
And my
up.
birthday's next week, and we're gonna do something. I don't know what yet. We're gonna do something.
I don't know what, but we're gonna definitely turn up. So I guess get ready for a birthday video too. My first YouTube video was actually on her birthday.
Last year,
Last
who was
year.
in Houston.
So you know, it's gonna be a different vibe.
And then you made that one video, and then we didn't make nothing for a while.
I know.
And now we can stay consistent with that.
Now we back. Consistency is the key.
Y'all better stay on this whole journey of life with us.
Some videos gonna be like this. Some videos gonna be like others. Well, man, like and subscribe to my channel. Like and subscribe to her channel.
Follow us on Instagram at creative_therapy and Heavy the Barber ID.
The shit is so good. Well, you speed it up. We got a little time lapse. Let y'all see us eat, man. Have fun, man. Yes, sir. Circle K has taught us a valuable thing. Don't work for nobody, and always upsell.
Circle K. People want to be privileged.
How's everything going over here?
It's good. It's so good. Well, I'm putting y'all on YouTube right now.
Oh, I appreciate that, brother. Thank you.
I'm putting you on YouTube right now.
I appreciate
That's
it.
how good it is. We'll be back.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
be back for
Thank
sure.
you, sir. Appreciate it.
Already.
That's real, like, homey life.
Yep. Came to check on his food, try to see how everybody like it. I love that shit. We're gonna be back. Serving crab, San Antonio, Texas.
Getting the 5-star review on Google today. And by the way, I'm a Google expert reviewer, so my reviews matter.
She basically made up her job description. She want to be a top-notch Google reviewer so bad.
I work for Google part-time.
In her head.
My reviews matter. One of my reviews got like 20,000 likes. That means people are listening.
People care about you ditching that company and shit. I never knew that it was so much meat inside the claw, bro. That shit's crazy.
Like, man.
I remember lobster tails was something like a luxury, like regular people wasn't eating that shit.
Yeah.
Now we eat this shit like every other week type shit. We ain't even hit our peak yet.
And yeah, because I never had or seen people eating crab legs growing up.
No. That was like some Papados type shit. And then the shit was expensive as hell. Now, we just play with this shit, bro.
If your nose don't run a little bit, it's not spicy.
My nose ain't running because I don't eat spicy. I'm a mark. I'm a simp.
That drink is so strong.
It's so good.
It's strong.
So I got a question. Would you ever go back and work somewhere?
Ooh. Like, no. Circle K did it. Like, I would go home just angry every day, just mentally drained.
I think before we go work for somebody else again, we would start up another business.
Like,
We would
that,
start up another. When I was at the shop yesterday, the people that painted the place, that's a man and woman, husband and wife.
were they the manager or something? Because it was Sherwin Williams that, or whatever that is, Sherwin.
Okay, well they worked together. They was in the front yesterday when I went to the office. And shit. Husband and wife, that nigga said baby to her.
There goes.
Yeah. And she was painting and getting it in. She had on her outfit, she looked just like him.
If your partner don't help you with your business, get you a new one.
Get you a new one, man. Because who else gonna do it? There's a lot of stuff as a significant other that you're supposed to already know.
Because you
That's
can't
yours.
get rich without hard work. They ain't just gonna fall in your lap unless you like playing lotto or something.
Yeah, but just in a relationship period. Saying just in a relationship period. Y'all not supporting each other. What are y'all like there for each other for? supporting, taking care of, loving, all of that good stuff. When I say taking care of, I don't mean like a little kid, like put me in a tub at night. But you know, your significant other needs to get taken care of.
Yep.
Unless you just want them to go look for it in the streets, but that ain't none of my business.
Some of y'all like the streets out there.
Some of y'all got black feet from the streets. I'm not fucking love that shit no more. There's so much food, but I'm getting so full. It's definitely a mukbang.
You don't have leftovers, so.
Staying consistent. I want to build up a fan base, man. I want to say Alexander Gang or some shit like that. That's what I want to do. Be Alexander Gang.
Gang. Y'all see that ring bang? Y'all see it? Y'all see that? That's easy for Sean.
I love it. Let's see,
They could've just gave me Malibu
let me see if I
and
can drink. Let's see if I can drink down right here. Malibu and Sprite.
Y'all know who got little drinks though? Chili's. They used to be our like favorite spot, y'all. We just go to Chili's and get drunk.
Yeah, we used to pull up to Chili's just to sip on some drinks. Go back home toasted. Thinking we about to go play in the room. Yeah, we about to go play all right. On them pillows in our sleep. Eat a full rack of ribs and drink. Shit, I guess she was right. Your nose ain't running. I guess it ain't. How did you like working at Circle K when you had to work with somebody?
Circle K was the worst job, y'all.
You know, you better cut that out. You better stop.
What was
Don't
the
say
worst?
that was your worst job. Shortstop.
Not her. That was bad too. I think Bill Miller's was the absolute
Okay,
worst.
Bill Millie.
I worked there for one day and never one day.
For people that's not in Texas, that's a barbecue spot.
Worked there for one day for 8 hours and never went back. They just threw me on the line. I've never eaten at Bill Miller's before. I don't know what the menu was like. They just threw me on the line. All the ladies only spoke Spanish, so yeah, I was just a lost cause all day. And when I got out, I was like, boy, I ain't never going back there.
And never went back. This all I got left really. This right here. Okay, that's
I want to eat these other crab legs, but I want to save it for later. Because I'm going to be sad when I'm at home and ain't
oh yeah, you sure right. I ain't eating no more. Damn. I'm glad you said that. I was fucking weak. Alright man, we gotta get ready to wrap this shit up. First mukbang junior. Drink some seafood. Like and subscribe to our page. Going straight to the page. Like and subscribe. Hanging with Henry. Like and subscribe to her channel. Oh, whoa, not that. Alright, man, we gotta get up out of here, man. Surfing crowds, San Antonio, Texas. The food was awesome. And they help you support yourself. Support small businesses. So if any of y'all coming back in here, y'all see, yeah. Go ahead and follow all of us. Follow everybody. Clothing, photographer, barbers. We out here. San Antonio, Texas. Smash and crab. Yes, sir. Gotta keep the mask. Flip it, dip it.
Black Lives Matter.
I'm telling you, them guys looked at you weird when you came here. Alright. Have a good one. Arrgh, matey! Man, it looks so nice outside.
It was so good out here. You can drive.
Huh? You don't want to drive? You sure?
Yeah.
I can never just ride. You gonna unlock the doors or what? Since we shouted them out on our YouTube channel, man, I got a 10% discount. I'm starting to like this YouTube shit already. I'm starting to like this YouTube shit already, man. This is fucking dope. But if y'all ever come to San Antonio, man, y'all make sure y'all come off I-10 to the Surfing Crowd, man. That shit was so good. That shit was really good. I'm coming back for sure. Other than that, man, shit, I think this might be the end of our video. I thank y'all for watching me, man. I told you I'm dropping content every day, all day. It might not be nothing. It might be something. Saying like and subscribe to your boy, Hanging with Heavy. Like and subscribe to my wife's channel,
Life with KAMESHA.
Yes, sir, man. Hey, wait till the next video, man. It's only up from here, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.